Good afternoon. What's that? I'm 14.
14?
Yep.
Okay, so you're done?
Yep.
Okay. What is the slow no wake rules?
That you can't make any waves.
So how far away from things do you have to be to operate above slow no wake on that thing?
100 feet?
Yep. From boats, 200 feet from shores and docks.
Oh.
How close do you think that blue and orange jet ski out there with the girl in the pink life jacket? How close do you think the last time you came flying by her? How close do you think you were?
Pretty close.
I'd say well within 50 feet. Do you have your alone? Do you have a
No. My parents are over there.
Okay, are they on a beach? Are they in a boat?
On the beach.
Okay, let's go talk to them real quick. You can pull that up on shore. And...
Do you want my conservation card or?
Yeah, that'd be great.
All right.
Perfect. Thank you.
Stay right there.
Good, how are you? Sean Mason. So, a few issues with him. He's out there driving, which is fine, right? Age is fine. He's done the class. But he went by a jet ski out there, probably at between 30 and 50 feet away from her, which is about half the distance, half the legal distance, right? The fact that he's a minor, it's your responsibility, right? I could cite him for it, and he would have to come back for court, and that becomes a whole mess, right? And I don't like to cite juveniles. As the responsible adults, that would be you two. On a weekend like this, I have to hold someone accountable, right? So, what I need from you guys is someone's ID, and I'll explain the whole thing when we're done with that. So, when we're out here, we have to be 100 feet away from another boat and 200 feet away from shore. Right. And the jet ski was those orange and blue ones parked there, and he was probably 50 feet maybe as he came flying by. I get it's a nice weekend, right? But this lake is huge.
Yep, sure.
Near a boat launch, near a swim beach, not the spot to be pushing those distances. The last thing I want to do is work an accident where all these kids see someone get smoked by a jet ski, right? So you'll get it's a slow no wake violation. It's essentially a speeding ticket that doesn't go on your driver's license. It's just like an internal record through us. There'll be an optional court date in Boston. You do not have to come. You can pay online, over the phone, through the mail. Any of those options. Everything will come to your mailing address. So warnings this weekend just aren't feasible, right?
No, I understand.
With the crowd and the heat and the alcohol.
No doubt. I probably told him 100 times today, you know, there's enough room for everybody. Just go your own way. So.
And so how or who actually pays the fine is up to you, right? That's between you two. But this has no effect on like jobs or DOT. It's just a DNR citation. So. And then whose name's the jet ski under?
Mine. Jordan.
You wanted to, or do you want him to get the citation?
Can you just put it on hers?
Yeah, that's fine. So, as I explained to him, everything will come in the mail. It's like a $200 fine. It's not a crime, not on your driver's license, it's through the DNR. You can pay online, over the phone, in the mail. Who pays it is between you guys, right? But
a lot of his allowance.
Right. But I don't like to put things like this on juveniles.
No.
If he was 16, it'd be a different story. But the fact that he's 14 is a big jump, right? Does that seem fair?
Makes sense.
Okay. Any questions on jet ski stuff?
No.
Okay. There's that back. I'll swing down, get the registration off the jet ski, and I'll be out of here.
Okay.
So, there's that back for you. Any questions on other laws? Okay. So, you had the class, you know, right? When I asked you, you said you knew. Just be more aware and give everyone plenty of extra space because they're all moving around. So, any questions?
Good reminder.
Okay. Okay. Thank you guys.
请你稍后。